Palermo, the vibrant capital of Sicily, is a city that feels like it's been crafted by history itself. With roots tracing back over 2,700 years, it has been shaped by Greek settlers, Arab rulers, Norman kings, and countless others. The result is a melting pot of cultures, flavors, and traditions that make Palermo one of the most fascinating cities in the world. If you're looking for a destination that combines breathtaking architecture, mouth-watering food, and a rich tapestry of stories, Palermo should be at the top of your list. By the end of this guide, you'll discover the must-visit spots, enjoy some fascinating trivia, and even uncover a hidden gem that most tourists miss. Let's begin with the history. Palermo's architectural landscape is nothing short of a masterpiece. Start your journey at the Palermo Cathedral, a towering structure that stands as a testament to the city's complex history. Originally built by the Normans in the 12th century, it's an incredible mix of styles: Gothic, Baroque, and even Islamic influences blend seamlessly here. It's also home to the tombs of Sicilian kings, including Roger II, the founder of the Kingdom of Sicily. Walking through the cathedral feels like stepping back in time to a world of medieval power and splendor. Next, make your way to the Norman Palace and the Cappella Palatina. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is one of Palermo's crowning jewels. Inside the palace, you'll find the Cappella Palatina, a chapel covered in glittering Byzantine mosaics, featuring gold backgrounds and intricate designs. What makes it even more unique is the blend of Arabic craftsmanship, including an elaborately carved wooden ceiling. It's a stunning example of how different cultures came together to create something truly extraordinary. No visit to Palermo would be complete without diving into its world-famous street food scene. Palermo isn't just a city, it's a culinary playground. Let's start with arancini, the crispy rice balls filled with ragu, mozzarella, or even pistachios. They're a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Another must-try is pennelle, thin, fried chickpea fritters served in a sandwich or on their own. These have been a staple of Sicilian cuisine for over 1,000 years. Then there's sfincione, Palermo's take on pizza, with a thick, fluffy base topped with tomato sauce, onions, anchovies, and breadcrumbs. For the best food experience, head to Baler Market or Vucceria Market. These bustling markets are not just places to eat, they're a sensory overload of smells, sounds, and sights, with vendors calling out to sell their goods and the aroma of freshly cooked dishes filling the air. Palermo is not just about food and history, it's also a city of culture and art. The Teatro Massimo, Italy's largest opera house, is an unmissable stop. Not only is it an architectural marvel, but it's also famously featured in the final scenes of The Godfather Part 3. Walking through its grand halls and majestic auditorium gives you a glimpse into Palermo's artistic soul. Nearby, Piazza Praetoria offers another slice of history. Known as the Square of Shame because of its nude statues, this fountain is both stunning and scandalous, a reflection of Palermo's bold and unapologetic character. When you need a break from the city's intensity, Mondello Beach is the perfect escape. Just a short drive from the city center, this beach boasts crystal-clear turquoise waters and soft, golden sands. It's a favorite spot for both locals and visitors, offering a chance to relax, soak up the sun, or enjoy fresh seafood right by the sea. Now, let's talk about something a little more unusual: the Catacombs of the Capuchins. This is one of Palermo's most fascinating and eerie attractions. The catacombs hold over 8,000 mummified bodies, some still dressed in their original clothing, dating back hundreds of years. It's not for the faint-hearted, but it offers a hauntingly beautiful glimpse into the city's past and its approach to mortality. Finally, if you're looking for a hidden gem, wander into the Khalsa district. This area was once the heart of the Arab quarter and is now a hub of creativity and charm. Its narrow streets are lined with street art, quirky artisan shops, and cozy cafes. Hidden courtyards filled with lemon trees provide a quiet retreat from the hustle and bustle, making it a perfect spot to explore at your own pace. Palermo is a city that offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history lover, a foodie, or an adventurer, you'll find endless treasures here. Its streets tell stories of centuries past, its food is a celebration of culture and flavor, and its atmosphere is electric with life and energy. So, what are you waiting for? Palermo is calling, and it's ready to sweep you off your feet. Share this guide with someone who needs a little Sicily in their life, and start planning your adventure today.